Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. Social media algorithms. They're the invisible forces that decide what pops up on your feed, what videos you watch next, and even what news you read. But have you ever stopped to think about how much control these algorithms really have over what we see and believe? Let's uncover the dark side of social media algorithms. So, what exactly are these algorithms? In simple terms, they're sets of rules or calculations that social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube use to determine what content to show you. These platforms collect tons of data about your behavior, what you like, what you comment on, what you share, and use that information to predict what you'll engage with next. Sounds convenient, right? But here's where it gets tricky. These algorithms aren't just showing you what you like, they're showing you what they think will keep you on the platform longer, even if it means showing you more extreme or sensational content. One of the biggest issues with social media algorithms is something called the echo chamber effect. When you consistently see content that aligns with your beliefs and interests, it reinforces those views. Over time, this can lead to a very one-sided perspective, making it harder to see things from other points of view. For example, if you are interested in a particular political issue, the algorithm might start showing you more and more content that aligns with that interest, while filtering out opposing viewpoints. This can create an echo chamber where you only hear opinions that reinforce your existing beliefs, making it seem like everyone agrees with you, even when that's not the case. Another major problem is the spread of misinformation. Algorithms prioritize content that gets a lot of engagement, likes, shares, comments. Unfortunately, this often means that sensational or even false information gets more visibility. Fake news, conspiracy theories, and misleading headlines can spread like wildfire because they grab attention and provoke strong reactions. This isn't just a theoretical issue, it's something we've seen play out in real time. From political misinformation to health-related myths, social media algorithms have played a significant role in spreading content that isn't always accurate or reliable. Social media algorithms are also designed to keep you hooked by playing on your emotions. Ever noticed how certain posts make you angry, scared, or overly excited? That's not a coincidence. Platforms use these emotional triggers to keep you engaged, because the more you react, the longer you stay online, and the more ads you see. But constantly being exposed to emotionally charged content can take a toll on your mental health. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and a distorted view of reality. When you are only seeing content designed to provoke strong reactions, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negativity. So, what can we do about it? The first step is awareness. Understanding how these algorithms work is key to taking back control over what you see. You can also take practical steps, like diversifying your sources of information, fact-checking content before sharing, and actively seeking out different viewpoints. Many platforms also offer settings that allow you to customize your feed or turn off certain algorithmic suggestions. It's worth taking the time to explore these options so that you have more control over your social media experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that digs into the impact of technology on our lives. What do you think about social media algorithms? Are they helpful, or are they doing more harm than good? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.